So are you watching IPL as well?
No, sir, I'm not into cricket.
Okay, fine. Okay. So good evening everyone. Today I'm going to teach all of you on the YouTube problems based on what is the chapter that we are going to do today? You tell me. No? Exponents. Exponents and powers. Okay. So the law of exponents you already know, and we have discussed on that yesterday, and also we have seen one of the pop sound test in the last class, that hydrogen test, and it was amazing. The pop sound came on YouTube later when I saw that. You know, if you see on YouTube, the pop sound was there. Okay, fine. So today we are going to discuss more questions on that. Before that, I would like to make you aware about the standard form of a number. So suppose somebody asks you to write a number. Suppose the number is very big. Now if I write a number like this, so you can say this, okay, this number is 1000. But if I write a number like this, can you name this number?
10,000.
Okay. Can you name this number?
100,000.
Okay, let me check your IQ. What about this?
Sir, wait, it's loading. I forgot how to do this.
Huh?
Sir, it's 100 followed by 8 zeros, no?
No,
Just
if you count 100, then it is followed by 6 zeros. If you count 1, then it is followed by 8 zeros.
yeah, that's what.
Then tell me.
Sir, not sure.
Not sure? Okay, so this period is known as hundreds period. This period is known as thousands period. This period is known as millions period. So this is 100 million. If I write a number like this, 100, and then write 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. Can you read this number?
100,234,123.
Wonderful. So it was very easy for you to read this.
Yeah.
But if I increase to some extent, if I increase this number some more, now can you read this number? So this is hundreds, thousands, millions, billion, trillion. 100 trillion, 234 billion, 123 million, 234,123. Like this you can say the number. But what after trillion? Quadrillion, million, trillion. So there are very big numbers. There are big numbers. So when you go in the chemistry, you will find that there are in 1 mole of any particles, sorry, in 1 mole of any gas or liquid, so there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. What does this 10 to the power 23 means? This means 10 is being multiplied. 10 is being multiplied how many times? 23 times. So this is known as the standard form of writing a number. Why it is known as standard form? Because in the standard form we can compare the number very easily. We can compare the number very easily. Suppose I ask you which is bigger. So 726 into 10 to the power 4 or 7.26 into 10 to the power 6. So it will be a difficult job for you to convert this into something and then into this. So to compare both the numbers, you have to write in the standard notation. And the standard notation says that after the, you cannot use 2 digits. You cannot write the tens place, only ones place is allowed. Okay, only ones place is allowed, and after that you have to write the decimals part. Okay, and the maximum digit that you can write is 9. The maximum digit can be written as from 0. So minimum digit can be written as 1 and maximum digit can be written as 9. You can't write use 0 here. 0 is not allowed. Okay, you have to use the numbers between 1 and 9. and after that you have to put a decimal, and you have to make the number in such a manner so that it is equivalent to the given number. For example, if I ask you 40, write 40 in the standard form. So you will use 4. So you will write 4 and immediately you will put 0, and you will write 4.0 into, so what should I multiply with 10 to the power, what should I multiply so that it become 40? So the answer is 1. So this is the standard form for 40. If I ask you what is the standard form for 400, so your answer should be 4.0 into 10 to the power 2. In fact, this 0 is not allowed. You can also write like this, 4 into 10 to the power 2, but the standard form of writing is you can put a point and then put a decimal. Alright? Okay. Now, so these are helpful in comparing the numbers. These are helpful in comparing the numbers, which number is bigger, which number is smaller. So greater the value of the numbers, greater will be the number if their power is same. If the two numbers are having the same power, greater is the value of the number, greater is the number. But if the two numbers are having the different powers, then the number with the power more is greater. For example, if I ask you which is greater, you can tell me 2.37 into 10 to the power 5 or 4.37 into 10 to the power 5. Which is greater?
4.37.
So it's very easy. Okay. 4.37. Now I am going to ask you 2.37 into 10 to the power 5 or 2.37 into 10 to the power 7.
2.37 to the power 7.
So you can easily make out. Okay, so fine. So with time, random entertainment, with time the tough question will start. Don't worry. Right now I am in a position to make it slower but bit easy. Okay, so you can find if the power is same, Akriti, if the power is same, the number with the bigger value is the greater number, and if the numbers are same, the number with the bigger power is the greater number. Are you getting it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now these are very easy questions. Now I am going to make you some bit tough questions. Now can you tell me 0.0123, how to write this number in the standard form?
The power will be in a minus.
Power will be in the minus part. So from where we have to start? We have to start from 1, because the minimum number that we should use is 1 digit, and if you go to the 1 digit, it is going to be 1.23. This is what you will write into 10 to the power what?
10 to the power minus 2.
10 to the power minus 2. Wonderful, very well done. So we have put this point decimal between 1 and 2. So since we have moved towards the right, so to balance it we have to put the negative power. Very easy. Good. So you already knew this. Wonderful. So now let us do some questions now. Okay. First we will go with the simple questions, and then I will simply increase the level of the questions. Okay. Can you tell me what is the standard form of this number? I hope the numbers are written in a proper gap manner. You can count the number of zeros very easily.
Yes, sir. 1 second.
Okay.
Um, 1.496 10 to the power 8.
1.496 into 10 to the power 8 you are saying.
Yeah.
First of all, you must see that where is the decimal put now. As far as the decimal is concerned, where is the decimal now? As of
1.
now, where is the decimal? Where is the decimal? Tell me.
Here, 1 after 1.
The decimal that you are saying, I'm asking you, where is in the question, where is the decimal?
Oh, sir, it's not there.
No, it is there, but you are not looking at it. It is after the last zero. The number is this. Okay, it is after the last zero. So if the decimal is not given, you have to assume the decimal after the last digit. Are you getting it? Now tell me how many digits you have moved this decimal. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 2, 11. So will it be 10 to the power 8 or 10 to the power 11?
11.
So you are to balance it you have to make it 10 raised to the power 11. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if you get that, let's move on to the next question. Tell me how you will say this. The speed of light is 300 million meter per second. So how you will say this?
So 3x 10 to the power 8 or 9?
3.0 into 10 to the power
8.
8. Good. The decimal is after the last zero. So you have moved 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8 units towards the left. Now thickness of the book is 20 millimeter. How you will write that?
Meaning? Like, you have to put that in standard form. 2x 10 to the power 1.
Yeah, tell me.
2x 10 to the power 1.
2.0 into 10 to the power 1 millimeter.
Yeah.
The average diameter of the red blood cell is, how you will write?
Uh, 7 into 10 to the power minus 6.
7 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, always try to put 0 so that you are comfortable with that. Okay, there is nothing harm in putting
Yes.
1 0. So let me check. So decimal is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. Next.
For both?
Yeah, you have to say in the same manner. In the same manner, the
For
thickness,
both.
yeah, for both you have to say the thickness of the human hair is in the range of, instead of these two numbers, you have to say the other two numbers.
So you want me to find it for 0.00? So
For this,
you want
what
me?
you are going to say? 5 into 5.0
Yeah.
into
1 second, sir. And then 0.01.
it's okay. It's okay. It happens. Who was that?
My little sister.
So why should you should call her?
No, sir, she's very annoying. Okay, sir, the first one is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Okay, this two.
Yeah. To 1 into 10 to the power minus 2.
1 into 10 to the power minus 2.
Yeah.
Okay, the distance of the moon from the earth is?
Oh, Um, sir, it's 3.84467 into 10 to the power 8.
Okay, so 3.84467 into 10 to the power 8 you are saying. So let me
Yeah.
check. 336 plus 28. Next, the size of a plant cell is dash.
Um, will it be minus 9 to the power minus 9?
No, first of all, you have to say
5,
1.275
7. Yeah.
into 10 to the power. So
Yeah.
336 to 8. So it
8.
is
Okay.
minus 8.
Okay.
No, 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 no. Wait. So decimal we have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. So 10 to the power minus 5, my dear.
Oh, okay.
See, as soon as we reach the first digit, we should not go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Those parts can be written in the form of decimals only.
Um, 6.95 into 10 to the power 5.
Tell me.
6.95 into 10 to the power 5.
6.95 into 10 to the power 5. Right?
Yeah.
Well done. So, so now you are in a position to solve all these questions.
Hmm.
So now let us do some questions on this. Uh, the question that I'm going to, so how to make use the law of exponent that I'm going to tell you today. Because
Yeah.
there are many children who are having problems in solving the questions on this. Okay, they don't know what to do, how to multiply and divide, when to use multiplicative law, when to use which law. So let us see some questions from the textbook. Even though they are easier questions, but the questions will keep on coming tough to confuse you. Now tell me, when the value is asking you evaluate, evaluate means what? You have to tell me the value. So tell me the value.
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 to the power minus 2 is, so what do you say, sir? 1 by 9.
1 by 9. Minus 4 to the power minus 2.
1 second, sir. 16, sir.
No, first it should be 1 by 16, my dear.
Yeah.
1 by 2 raised to the power minus 5.
Sir, will it be 1 by 3 to the power 5?
No. The power, see, first of all, which law of exponent you will take into use? Tell me
So
first law, second law, third law, fourth law. Huh? Fourth law.
multiplicative.
Fourth law.
No.
Fourth law, right? Okay. So in the fourth law, you can write like this: 1 to the power minus 5 divided by 2 to the power minus 5. Or you can make use of the seventh law first. The seventh law says the power of a negative number is the reciprocal. So you will say it is going to be 2 by 1 to the power 5.
Oh, okay, sir.
So what will be the value? Yesterday I made you remember all the values.
Yeah, sir. Hold on, sir. 32 by 1. 32.
Yeah, so it is 32.
Hello, sir?
Correct.
Yeah.
Now the questions is asking you to simplify the and express the result in the power notation with the positive exponent. Means you can't use the negative exponents. Tell me.
1 second, sir. Simplify and express.
Your job is to look for the numbers. Whether it is positive or negative.
Sir, will it be minus 4 to the power 3?
Minus 4 to the power.
Minus 3, minus 3.
But the question is asking you.
It has to be positive. So it'll be 1 by 4. Yeah.
Or you can write like this: minus 1 by 4 raised to the power 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me for the second one.
1 minute, sir. So it'll be 1 to the power 2 by 8 to the power 2.
1 to the power 2 by 8 to the power 2. No. You have to
No?
say like this: 1 by 2 raised to the power 6. Simple.
Oh, you can do that.
See, it is a multiplicative law. The power of a power is being multiplied. So why you are making it 8? You could have made it 2 itself. Just multiply the powers. So it is 1 by 2 raised to, that your answer is also correct. But why you are, so there are many correct answers for this. Somebody may write it 1 by 4 to the power 3. Somebody may write it 1 by 8 to the power 2. Okay. But if the question is given in the standard form, prime numbers, so make use of that only. Okay, tell me for the third one.
Sir, 1 by 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the
How
power
much?
4. Will it be like 1 by 3 to the power 4
This one?
into 5 to, yeah,
Why 1 by 3, my dear? The power is not negative, the number is
minus 1
negative.
by 3.
First of all, you have to understand, is the power negative?
No.
Then why are you making reciprocal? Why you are saying minus 1 by 3? It should be minus 3 only. The first and the foremost thing that you have to do is take the minus out. I told you in the yesterday in the class. Take the minus out. As soon as you take the minus out, it will be minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 4 into, this will be written as 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. This will get cancelled out. This is going to be 1 only. So the answer will be 5 raised to the power 4.
Okay, sir.
Do it as simple as you can. Don't make it tough.
Yes, sir.
Keep it simple. Understood?
Yeah. We
Shall
should
we
have
go
one
ahead?
more like this.
Shall we go ahead?
Yeah.
See, the first and the foremost thing that you have to do is take out the negative sign with the same power as it is with the number and keep the number separately. Then it will be very easy for you to look at the numbers.
Yes.
Okay. Now in the next question, don't get confused by this negative and this negative. They both are different. One is responsible for the sign of the answer and one is responsible for the reciprocal of the number. So now how to do this? So 3 raised to the power minus 7 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 10 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. So what you will do? Tell me. Either you can take minus 7 at the bottom or you can take minus 10 at the above. What you will do? In which case you will get the positive result?
So wait, can you repeat? What were you gonna do with minus 10?
So my question is, so out of minus 7 and minus 10, which number has a greater value?
Minus 7.
Minus 7. So either you have two options. Either you bring minus 7 bottom or you take minus 10 above. You can do any of those options. So which options you want to try? See,
Minus 7 below.
if you take minus 7 below, already minus 10 is a smaller number, minus 7 is a bigger number. So if you are subtracting a bigger number from the smaller number, you will end up in getting a negative result.
Oh, okay, understood.
See, maths is done by the logic. Don't just simply do it. Apply the logic and you can do it faster. So out of minus 7 and minus 10, which is bigger? Minus 7 is bigger. So take minus 10 to above. Because we are going to subtract. This is the second law. So minus 7 plus 10. This will become minus 7 plus 10. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Into 3 raised to the power minus 5. So this is going to be 3 raised to the power 3 into 3 raised to the power minus 5, which is going to be 3 raised to the power minus 2, because when you add them it will become minus 2. So the answer will be 1 by 3 raised to the power 2.
That's it.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Two raised to the power minus 3 into minus 7 raised to the power minus 3. So in the first step you can simply write 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 into minus 1 raised to the power minus 3 into, or you can write like this, 1 by minus 1 raised to the power 3 into 7 raised to the power 3. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Now what you will do? So minus 1 is always going to be negative. The final answer will be negative because it is an odd number. The number is an odd number. So minus 1 raised to the power odd number is minus. So the final answer will be minus 1 by Now which law you can apply with these numbers? Tell me which law you can apply with these numbers.
The addition.
No, the third law. Third law says if the base is same, sorry, if the power is same, the base are multiplied first.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So you can write minus 1 by 14 to the power 3. So the first two law are based on the same power. The third and the fourth law is based on the the first two law is based on the same base. The third and the fourth law is based on the same exponential power. The fifth law is the multiplicative power of a power. The sixth law is power of 0 is 1. The seventh law is power of negative number is the inverse of that number. That's it. Please remember all the laws in the order that I have taught you. Understood?
Yeah.
Now in these questions you have to find the value. You have to find the value. So how to find the value? See the first question. Tell me what will be the answer. How you are going to do it. What is the first step that you will follow?
So first, sir, you take the laws and you revert them. So anything to the power of 0 is 1.
Very
So it'll
good.
be
So
1 plus 1 by 4 into 4.
very good. So what will be that? What is
It'll
1 plus?
be 2 by, wait, 1 second, sir.
Come on. 1 plus 1 by 4 is not 2 by 4. You have to take the LCM, my dear.
Yeah, that's why I said hold on.
See, 1 plus 1 by 4 is as good as 1 by 4. So this is going to be 5 by 4 into 4. So the answer will be 5. I don't think that you know this, but now I am going to tell you a very good thing. Okay? Now, if I ask you, what is, so you know mixed fractions? You know mixed fractions? Okay, then tell me what is 2, 3 by 4 equal to? Improper fraction. Convert this into improper.
11 by 4.
11 by 4. See how fast you added. Can you tell me what is 4, 4 by 5?
24 by 3. 24 by 5.
24 by 5. But if I ask you what is 4 plus 4 by 5?
So then you have to, like, first it'll be 4 by 1, and then you have to multiply both 1 by 5, then 4 by 5.
This is as good as this only. Okay?
Oh.
So how you will read this? This is 4, 4 by 5. How much is this? 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24 by 5. Okay? This trick nobody has taught you. Even I was not aware about this. I was aware about this just 4 years back. Okay? When I was doing one research on the kind of questions, and I found that this trick works. So can you tell me what is 7 plus 2 by 3?
7, 2 by 3.
So what is that? You
23 by 3.
Yes, you multiply here, add this. That
Yeah.
is 23 by 3. Now why this trick works? This trick works because as soon as you make the denominator 3, the numerator is also becoming multiplied by 3. So it is multiplied by the same number what was here, because the denominator of the number which is not given is as good as 1, and the LCM of a 1 and the other number is always that number. So it is like you can simply multiply and add. So that means 7 plus in fact 2 by 3 means what? So on a number line, if I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and after that 7 and 8, you have make them into 3 equal parts. So this part is known as 7 2 by 3, which is as good as 7 plus 2 by 3. So 7 is 21 by 3. So if you add 2 by 3, it is become 23 by 3. So always if the number is having not any denominator, if the number is not having any denominator, take that number as a mixed fraction. Take that number as a mixed fraction. Okay. Generally it is not allowed, but you can take them to reach your answer to the final option. For example, if I ask you, what is 6 plus 5 by 4? Tell me what will be the answer.
29 by 4.
Very good. But you can write this number as 6 5 by 4, because 6 5 by 4 is not the mixed fraction, because 5 by 4 is not a proper fraction. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So this you have to reconvert it into 1 1 by 4. So then it will become 7 1 by 4, which is as good as 29 by 4. But to solve such questions, you can imagine them as a mixed fraction. You can imagine them as a mixed fraction. This is what I have done from the past 4 years to raise my calculation skills, and you can do that in the same question that is involved here. So the question was 1 plus 1 by 4 into 4. Now what this value will become?
5 by 4.
So 5 by 4 into 4 is how much? 5.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Understood now?
Yeah.
Good.
You write this down.
I want you to do the next question.
One second, so I'm still writing down the entire question. Sir, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4.
So this is 1 by 8 into 1 by 4 can be written as 4 by 1. If you put a multiplication sign, you can change the sign and reciprocate it.
Yeah.
So this will become
Wait,
4
sir,
by
how
1.
did you get 1 by 8?
See, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, you only told. So 4 into 2 is how much?
Oh. Yeah.
The one, the value which you told, I multiplied it, that's it.
Yeah.
So I want to be one step ahead of my students, or else they will not follow me. They say, okay, my teacher is slower than me. Okay.
So then you just simplify it.
Yeah, so the answer is going to be 1 by 2. Okay, what is the other way of doing it? See, you can do like this as well. So 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 4 raised to the power minus 1 can be written as 8 raised to the power minus 1. Okay, divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 1. So if the power is same, this is going to be 4 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 1. This will become 2 raised to the power minus 1, which is as good as 1 by 2. So there are many ways to do a question. See, what I am doing here is, the first step that I am doing here is, since I make use of the law of exponent. I saw that the power is same, so I multiplied the numbers. Then I broke down this number into two equal parts, because I need to make the power same. See, 2 is not as good as equal to 8, so I can make the power same. So I divided 2 to the power minus 2 into two parts, minus 1 into minus 1. Okay, then again I saw that the power is same, so I divided the number, so it became 4. Again then I took this 2 and I saw that the power is same, again I divided the number and the power became minus 1. 4 by 2 is 2, so the answer was 1 by 2. So you can approach to the answers in many different ways. Next question. Next question is easy.
So they have all the same power.
No, but they are not in multiplication, my dear.
Yeah.
You can't do anything with them. So you can simply add them. You can reciprocate them. Seventh law of exponent. So this is going to be 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 raised to the power 2 plus 4 raised to the power 2. So this is going to be 3, 2 square is 4, 9 and 16. So 29. Did you get that?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done. Well done. Now 2 more questions.
Okay, sir. So the first one is 0.
No, 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 no. How it can be 0, my dear? It should be 1.
No, not
And
0, sir. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Sir, I said 0 at first because that multiplication came into my mind.
we just need 1, 1. Okay.
Yeah, that was easy.
Adit, चिपका दो क्या? पढ़ने नहीं पड़ता. चलना टेप से और कहीं अच्छा लगेगा तो. तो याद है ना, गुम हो जाएगा. कपड़ा
So what do we do for the second one?
इसी से पूछ. पेपर से भी साफ हो सकता है. Yes. For the second one, okay, it is the power of a power. It is the
Yeah.
power of a power. So the first step, the first and the foremost step that you have to do is you have to take the negative sign out. So you have to take the negative sign out. So you will write minus 1 raised to the power. So minus 2 into minus 2 is how much? Minus 4. Then, so if negative is taken care of, then you take the positive. So it will be 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 4, 2. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
So this will become 1. This will become 1. So minus don't have any problem. Now this is going to be 3 raised to the power 4 by 2 raised to the power 4, which is as good as 81 by 16. Which is as good as 81 by 16.
Okay, understood, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
तो चेयर ले लो अच्छे से, थोड़ा कहाँ पे अच्छे से लगेगा. Done?
Yeah.
Now I won't be helping you. I want you to do the question number 1 and 2. The time given is 4 minutes. और वहाँ उस दीवार पे लगा दे, कहाँ सही रहेगा?
Sir, I'm not understanding. Wait.
What dear?
I'm not understanding these questions, okay?
Okay, fine. So I wanted you not to understand so that
Okay.
I have got some role to play. Okay, थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दो, या ऐसा करना, ये थर्ड वाले शीशे पे भी लगा सकते हो. हाँ, ये सेम हाइट पे लगा. Okay. So now in such kind of questions, what comes into place, how to do such questions is you have to break the composite number into the prime factorization form. Okay, this is what you have to do. So now we will do one by one. See this. So first I will write 25 as 5 raised to the power 2. T raised to the power minus 4 can be written as, okay, T raised to the power minus 4, nothing has to be happen to it. This is 5 raised to the power minus 3. 10 can be written as 5 into 2, and this is T raised to the power minus 8. Now, according to the law of exponent, you must have either the same base or you must have the same power. So let us come with a number having the same base. So same base, I am having 3 numbers. You can see 5, 5, 5. Are they having the same base? The answer is yes. So what is the law of exponent? The second law of exponent says that if the number are having the same base, we have to subtract the denominator. It will go above and it will be subtracted. So 5 to the power 2 minus minus 3. This will become minus minus 3, and even if you can check it, minus 3 plus 1 will become minus 2, and when minus 2 will go ahead, it will become plus 2. So it will become 5 raised to the power 2 plus 3 minus 1. In one step I can write. See this. 5 raised to the power 2. This minus 3 has become plus 3, and this 1 has become minus 1. According to the law of seventh law as well. Then into T raised to the power minus 4 plus 8 divide by 2. Now is it easier for you to evaluate? So 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So it will become 5 raised to the power 4 into T raised to the power 4 divided by 2. So it is 625 T raised to the power 4 divided by. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Do the next one.
Okay.
ऊपर करना तो गलत दिख रहा है क्या? थोड़ा सा ऊपर करना.
So for this question,
Yes.
so for this question, it's 3 to the power minus 5
Okay.
into 10 to the power minus 5.
So 10 to the power minus 5 can be broken down into two components.
Oh, I only broke down 125.
No, 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 no. I told you break down all the composite numbers. Break down all the composite numbers into its prime factors. Then you can have the same base. Then you can have the same base. Okay? Or else you will get confused. So 10 can be written as 2 raised to the power minus 5 into 5 raised to the power minus 5. 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 7 into 2 raised to the power minus 5 into 3 raised to the power minus 5.
So but won't that be bigger number?
Which is bigger number?
Oh, never mind. I understood, sir. Never mind.
None of the number is bigger number.
It's the same, but the laws.
And you can find that some of the numbers can be cancelled. Okay. So
Yeah.
these and these can be cancelled out. Okay. In fact, you see 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. And if you take this, so we are having only three numbers. 5 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 plus 7. So we will be left with 5 raised to the power 5, which is equal to 3125. I told you in the last class, yesterday's class, 5 raised to the power 5, you have to remember 3125. 5 raised to the power 6 is 15625. So done?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So with this, I would like to end this chapter, that is law of exponents. And in this chapter, you have learned how to break down a number, a composite number, into its prime factors. You have to look for two things. At most, you have to look for two things. The first thing is either look for the same base, and if the base is not same, make the base same. How you can make the base same? By factorizing the composite number into its prime factors, making the power same, making the power remains the same. For example, in this question, 6 raised to the power minus 5 was written like 2 raised to the power minus 5 into 3 raised to the power minus 5. This is all you have to do. Okay? And when you do this, you can look for the same base. And at some point of time, you may not need to do this. You can look for the same power, and in that case of same power, you can multiply the number, or you can divide the number first and then apply the power. So these are the first four laws. Then the fifth law is the power of a power, which means you have to multiply the power, and sometimes then there is a power of 0, which is as good as equal to 1, and the power of a negative number is the reciprocal of the number. The question may confuse you like this: what is the multiplicative inverse of? What is multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5 raised to the power minus 1? Tell me the answer for this.
It'll be 5 by 1 to the power 1.
You know what is a multiplicative inverse?
When you multiply the
Multiplicative inverse is the reciprocal of the number. Okay. So that means you have been asked what is the reciprocal of the number, and you are
So
saying 5 by 1 raised to the power
1.
1. So 5 by 1 raised to the power 1. So what is the value for this? The value itself for this is this, my dear. So this is not the multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of this number is this number itself. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Are you getting it? See, this is not the actual number. If I write 1 by 4 to the power minus 1, is this the actual number? 1 by 4 is the actual number? No. The actual number is 4. So what is the multiplicative inverse of the number? So it's the number itself. So it is 1 by 4. So for this the answer is 1 by 5.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
So you have to be very careful. First derive the number. So the number is actually 4. 4 by 1. So multiplicative inverse of 4 is 1 by 4. Okay. So very be careful in these kind of questions. They will trap you. So I will be sending you one of the PDF of mine. You can do some questions on that. Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. So you don't want to take the class tomorrow, I think. So we will have the class on next Saturday.
Yeah.
Till the time, what you are going to do on these kind of questions?
Sir, probably go to more tuitions.
Okay, you go to more tuitions. Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. So I'll meet in the next class. That is on Saturday. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Bye.